Darshita and welcome back to my channel Pharmacopedia. So in this video, I'll be discussing about aldol condensation reaction along with its mechanism in detail. So let's get started. So in aldol condensation reaction, 2 moles of aldehyde or ketone that is having at least one alpha hydrogen. Remember that the aldehyde or ketone should have at least one alpha hydrogen. Then these 2 moles react in the presence of dilute alkali, and here we are taking sodium hydroxide as an alkali. Then it reacts to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone respectively. Then when we heat this product, then it readily loses water to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. So this is aldol condensation reaction, and now we will be looking at the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. So we have taken acetaldehyde. Okay, so this OH comes from the NaOH which we have taken as a catalyst. तो फिर ये OH क्या करेगा कि ये अटैक करेगा कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड को, and as a result this bond will break, resulting in the negative charge on the carbon atom and the positive charge on the hydrogen atom. तो इसके बाद में जो हमें मिलता है वो है CH and CHO, okay, plus H2O, and this H2O is formed from the H plus ion and the OH minus ion, okay, leaving behind the negative charge on the carbon atom. And we know that the aldol condensation reaction involves 2 moles of acetaldehyde. So the other acetaldehyde other acetal, so it's a carbon ion, so it will always be in a search of a positive charge. तो इसको positive charge कहाँ से मिलेगी? It will attack this carbon oxygen bond. उसके बाद में because oxygen is highly electronegative, तो ऑक्सीजन पर क्या होगा? नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा और कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. एज अ रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा CHO, CH2, CHO, CH2 plus minus, then it forms a single bond, C single bond O, CH3, and there will be a minus charge on the oxygen. Okay, so now what happens is, in the presence of water, because water acts as a solvent, so now in the presence of a water, and we know that water consists of H plus and OH minus ion. So now it is clear from here that this H plus will be accepted by this oxygen, because oxygen has negative charge and so it is always in a search of a positive charge. तो ये positive charge उसको कहाँ से मिलेगा? Water से मिलेगा, और फिर उसके बाद में ये क्या बना लेगा? Alcohol, basically aldol, that is CHO, CH2, and CH3. This product is known as aldol because it is having alcohol group and the aldehyde group. That's why it is known as aldol. Ald for aldehyde, all for alcohol, and this product is known as beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, so now when we heat this aldol, then it readily loses water. To form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Saturated aldehyde, and this product is also known as aldol condensation product. Why it is known as aldol condensation product? Because it is formed by the condensation of aldol in the presence of heat, and this water is released from the alpha and the beta carbon. Remember that the H plus, okay, so we are taking one H here, so this is alpha carbon and this one is the beta carbon. So the hydrogen, the H plus ion will be released from the alpha carbon and the OH minus will be released from the beta carbon. So when this bond breaks, then there will be an H plus on the hydrogen atom and minus charge on the carbon atom, and when this bond breaks, there will be a negative charge on the OH minus and positive charge on the carbon atom. As a result, this plus and minus together forms water, and this plus and minus forms the double bond. Okay, so water is released from the, remember that the H will be released from the alpha carbon and OH will be released from the beta carbon. So now there is a very important question which is asked, that why we are taking the hydrogen from this carbon, not from this carbon, because the reason behind this is hyperconjugation. You might have heard about that the alkene which is having the more number of alpha hydrogen will be the most stable one. So this is about the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction, and we will be looking at the complete reaction. So here we have taken the acetaldehyde, 2 moles of acetaldehyde, then it reacts in the presence of dilute NaOH to form aldol, which is also known as 3-hydroxybutanol. And then when we heat it, it readily loses water to form but2-enol. Enol, why it is known as enol? Because it consists of ene, that is double bond, and CHO, that is aldehyde. So it is known as aldol condensation product. So when we take a ketone, then there is just a slight change. In the place of hydrogen, we will be just taking any alkyl group. Okay, any alkyl group or any we'll be taking any alkyl group. Okay, so this is all about the aldol condensation product, aldol condensation reaction, and I hope that the mechanism is clear. And in case if you are having any doubt, make sure that you ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.